Everyone, happy April Fool's Day, Friday, April 1st. I thought it would be a great opportunity to chat with you a little bit about something humorous, and that is your property tax statement. So every year, this time of the year, you'll get a proposed property tax statement from whatever county you live in the Twin Cities or greater Minnesota. And that is always kind of a sticker shock for people. They're always curious, how that lines up. So I thought I'd just share a couple points with you about that. So the first thing is your property taxes that are levied against your home or whatever property you own is a function of the city, the county, and the school district that you reside in. So it's kind of split up into three different parts, and obviously they can have a big impact on how much you're paying or how little you're paying on your property taxes. One of the big things that we see that will fluctuate is if there is a school district referendum. Now, there's two different sides that I guess the debate about schools and the amount of taxes. As a real estate professional and as a parent, my parents are both educators. We are huge fans of making sure that our schools are well funded. And certainly, paying a little bit more in property taxes can have a significant impact on your property value. Or not having a referendum can certainly have an impact on how much your property value might decline potentially, because people will move into a school district if there are really good schools, and they will move out if they are declining. So that's one thing when it comes to your property taxes is the school district levy, and then also what that amount would be if they've got a special referendum with that. They also include if there's any street repairs. So sometimes there might be a special assessment for any street repairs or overlays or improvements. Maybe they do a new curb gutter, blacktop. So that would be, sometimes there's an assessment on there that might last 4 or 5 years if they're doing some street improvements. So you can't pay it off, but certainly might be something that you could pay over time. The third one that we talk about is the total assessed value. That's how much in property taxes are you paying for that? Where does that property assessed value, the tax assessed value, is that equivalent to your fair market value? Well, the biggest thing with that is looking back as a market has increased. You've heard me talk about that. The assessed values are playing catch up. So last year in the Twin Cities, median sale price went up. I think it was about 12%. The year before that, it was about 10%. So over the last 2 years, we've seen a 22% increase on average for homes. And a lot of those property taxes were actually kind of falling behind the wayside. So kind of laying in the weeds to make sure that we weren't paying too much in our property taxes, but just enough. So that's a function of of your property taxes. If you've recently bought a home, or if there have been recent sales in your area, that's certainly one thing where the assessor will catch up. Or if you've done any remodeling where you've pulled permits, that kind of raises a red flag with the system, or maybe a green light with the system that says, hey, this property's been improved. Let's reassess their value. So if there's something that you are concerned about, if your property assessed value is in line with where it should be, certainly, move forward with that. If it's something that you think it might be overstated and you're paying too much in property taxes, we've actually had conversations with clients where their property taxes have gone up 25% in a year, and with an assessed value that goes from 300,000 to 400,000. And we're happy to go to bat for you, give you some information that you can bring down to the county and appeal that, and maybe they'll reduce your property taxes when it comes to that. So certainly reach out to us. But that's just the inside scoop on April Fool's Day as it comes to your property tax statement. We're happy to be a resource for you, whether you're moving or not. We love to be able to help our clients with all things real estate, buying, selling, investing in real estate, or even helping you reduce your property taxes. Reach out to us, 651-777-3434, right over here, and we'd be happy to help you. Take care. Bye now.